Hey everyone, today we are going to see about the sold products and the install base items. A Shark Hotels at Dallas, a customer of NGM recently purchased an upgrade for its Calico Basic streaming service. That is a subscription. So, and switched it to NGM's Calico Premium. So they are going to switch to that Calico Premium streaming service. So the product which is bundle that includes Calico Basic and Calico Movie. So we are going to see that sold products and items in this class. So let's get into the video. So now we are in ServiceNow instance. Our outcome is to be we should need to create a sold product. So for creating a sold product, we can have specifically for sold products table. Under customer service, under product, we have the sold products. So we can create a new. So in here we can provide Calico streaming, streaming. The account we can create, select the Shark Hotels from Dallas. The parent product, we no need to submit this. So we can select the product as Now Global Media. So this one, we have already created this earlier class. So we can provide this product as a Now Global Media. Contact can be a Jamie Dean. So the consumer, we can leave it as empty. So these are the value data we should need to provide, and we can save this. This is we are in the sold product table. So we can have this kind of child sold product. So we need to provide the hierarchy in this child sold products related list. So now we can create the new in this related list. So here we can name this as Calico movie streaming. Calico movie streaming. Contact can be Jamie Dean. So the product should be Now Global Media. So this is our data we should need to submit. So it's our data. So now we can go to the sold products. The thing is the existing Calico basic sold product for Shark Hotels Dallas must be related to the earlier created Calico premium streaming service product. So that we should go to the sold products first. Here Calico premium we can type. So now earlier we have created Calico Basic, so that one we can open it. So this kind of types are there. So we can open this one Calico Basic, the account with Shark Hotel Dallas. So this one we have earlier created. So here we can provide the parent sold product as a Calico Premium Streaming, and the contact could be Jamie Dean. We can save this record. So once we save this, we can have the Calico Premium Streaming table. We can open this one. So once we save the name in the related list, we can able to see the Calico basic as well. So for both of this, the parent sold product is this Calico Premium Streaming Record. So now we can create an install base item in the install base item table. So we can go to the install base item table. So here we are in a install base item table. We can create a new record. So here we can provide the name as Calico Box. V 1.71. State is in use. Original. So the account could be Dallas, Shark Hotels Dallas. So Shark Hotels Dallas. So the install date we can provide it any other date. The product should be now NGM, now Global Solution. So we can provide 1.71, which we have created earlier. So now we can save this. Now we can select the sold products, and here we have the edit button, so we can open it. So already we have created some Calico related records, so we can move the each of the following items to the collection and save this. So we are going to create a install base characteristic. So we can select the install base characteristic and then we can create a new one. Here the device characteristic will be a device color, which we that is system defined one. So the characteristic option can be a red. You can submit this. Once we created this device color, we can select this product model characteristics. Notice the list displays the supported Wi-Fi version model characteristic. This characteristic was added to the Now Global Media Calico Box 1.7.1 product model. So previously selected as a product on the install base item by instances pre-configuration of this training purpose. So remember, your product model characteristic is unique to product and not to the instances. We have to go to the user table. Under user administration, we can select Jamie. Here we have this kind of roles we already have. So we just want to add the additional roles. So let me edit this and take the characteristic related roles. So let's save this granular viewer role actually. So once we save this, you can open and check the description. So granular role to read record stable product model characteristic, whole product models, customer visible is true. So here the role provides granular read access to the install base items. So once we added this kind of roles has been added. So now let's do the lab verification. We can impersonate Jamidin. So once we impersonated, we can go to this support tab. Here we have the products name. Once we open this, you can able to see the products sold products related records. So you can open any of this one. I can open this one 1001. So here we have this kind of details. So here in this under create case we have this install base. This one is available. So you can open this one. Able to see the install base characteristics and the model product model characteristics. Those kind of things. Also, you can able to see this products on this instance widget on the right side. So this is a verification we need to do. So that's it today's video. I will see you in the next class about the same product related kind of use cases. Keep watching my YouTube channel. Thank you.